Chairman ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board UR Naina Malay ulapan pau. Bagi Sorkar Meghalaya kadang ap ke Sorkar Assam Byrnihat lengba ke Joint Action Committee. Ban kami bat pendunai ke jeng penjabo ekal hagatan Byrnihat. Ke Sorkar Meghalaya kadang ap ke Sorkar Assam Byrnihat lengba ke Joint Action Committee. Ban kami bat pendunai ya ke jeng penjabo ekal dan ke air pollution ha Byrnihat. Ya kini lihat Chairman ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board UR Naina Malay. Ulitho bawalau Menteri Rangba ke Jalan Meghalaya ulatho Shiti ke Sorkar Assam kampat a yagi kerteng jongki dekot kumta ka kam kadang sakut ula kedo minta kal air kala kambha ha ka ba ka AQI ka long shis pa alai pho ka ba pa ka kerdan moderate ha ka senam arajar arpusan ka AQI berakawai ka long shis pa alai ka ba ni bakal air kala kam kuat bani ka ba menchwa ha ka baide bagi Karkhana ha Meghalaya ki dan sapu Tylli bandar Tylli ki bahab hagarat kategori kerbah Assam kiran live kundai Tylli hagaba arpau Tylli kihab hagarat kategori ka Meghalaya kala siam gi senjam gi baperking kentop ke jingkhangi Karkhana bat ke jingdan kuna ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ka kentu ke Assam manle unjo namar kal air kayat klamda pet uput jongno ru hagaba ide bagi jin pensyai halor ka CREA ulong bagi report ke bakeno bagi Byrnihat ke jabo atam kala bandai nak yang ke Assam Namar kikor ka Meghalaya ki pani bakal air kala khambha.
So as per the current level of air quality index in the Byrnihat is 130, which is moderate, and the same thing can be verified by the Samir app, which is developed by the Central Pollution Control Board, which gives the hourly updates, real time data of National Air Quality Index. As per that record, it is 130, and same time we also have established continuous ambient air quality monitoring station at Byrnihat from Meghalaya side, and also Assam side also one is already operation. So the data is linked to the Samir app, and the Samir app shown this of 130, whereas ours is also almost same data. It is confirmed, and of course our data is also confirming the same. So all is confirming only it is moderate. But however, this data is this is based on the Byrnihat of Assam side. So Byrnihat of Assam side, maybe they should have mentioned as a Byrnihat instead of Byrnihat. So Byrnihat means they'll say always like Meghalaya. So Assam side is called as a Byrnihat, Byrnihat. Maybe they mentioned Assam side. Maybe it is not pertaining to Meghalaya. So maybe Meghalaya side is as per our records, and also the record to maintain the records of continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at Byrnihat of Assam side also showing the same record of this zone. Like today's air quality index is 130 only. So it is moderate. It is improving because last 6 months, 1 or 2 times, maybe due to some reasons, it has spiked to little poor status beyond 200, and now it is always like if you see the records of Samir app, it's showing like moderate. So now it is improved a lot.